Dear learners, we already know about database create, read, update and delete. So now in this video we are going to implement sign up feature. So let's get started. Okay, now you go to the list activity XML file. Now we take a drawable. Searching a icon. Change the color of this icon. And rename this file name. Okay, now we take image view. Now set the constraint. Change the ID, profile, and take a text view. Here we will show the profile name. And change the ID, name. Okay, now we create a activity, new activity, empty activity, name sign up activity. Okay, now go to the list activity and set on-click listener of profile image view. Binding.profile.set on-click listener. So here we click this icon, then we go to the sign up page. Start activity intent, new intent, list activity dot this, sign up activity dot class. Okay, let's check. So here is the profile image, and when we click it here, then it's go to the sign up activity. Okay, fine. There is nothing because we didn't design the sign up activity. So let's do that. I just making a simple sign up activity. Name, email and password. Now take a sign up button. Sign up. Set the background color and change the ID. Now set the constraint of all widget. Okay, now we set the drawable icon of all edit text. Okay, our sign up page design is done. Now let's check. Okay, fine. Now we write the code for corresponding design. Go to the sign up activity. Now we take the binding variable, activity sign up binding. Binding equals to activity sign up binding dot inflate get layout inflator. Set content view binding dot get root. Okay, now we change the title of action bar. Set title sign up. Let's check. So default title bar is app name, that means API integration. So now title is changed. Now we set the on click listener of sign up button binding.signup.set on click listener. Okay, now go to the 000 web host and create a sign up API. So at first we go to the database manager and create a table for sign up. Just click the new, table name, users, and attributes are ID, name, email and password. ID is auto increment AI. Name, email, password is Parker type, and length is 250. Okay, now we create a model class for sign up. Model user. Now add the serialization of column name. ID, name, email and password. And this serialized name must be same as database column name. Now go to the file manager and create a PHP file for sign up. Public HTML, API, new file, signup.php. So I just copy from my previous project and paste it here. Okay, now change the database username, password and DB name. So I already share all PHP file in the video description. Okay, update the SQL. Save and close. Now create a post method. Signup.php and update the model class model user and update the method name signup model user. Okay, now go to the signup activity and take the variable of API interface. And initialize the retrofit instance. Okay, now we add the condition. So when password and confirm password is equals, then the button is working. So now we add the progress dialog. Signup activity.this. Okay, now we create an object of model class model user. Model user.set. It's not working. Okay, now we add the setter and getter method of the model class model user class. Okay, model user.set name binding.name.getText to string. Okay, now we call the API signup API and pass the model class object. In on response, we show the toast message that's successfully created. Dialog dismiss. And on failure method failed to create. Okay, let's check. Type the name, email and password 1 to 8. It's failed. Okay, no worries. Let's check. Oh, there is a mistake. Set email and set password, and hopefully now it's working. Successfully created. Okay, fine. Okay, now check the data page, users table. So it's successfully inserted on the data page. So that's all in this video. The next video we will show the login. So thank you everyone.